For example, the extended memory is 2 GB. So if a process is taking more than this extended memory, that is the actual work process memory plus heap memory, that is 4 GB plus 2 GB, 6 GB, say for example 8 GB. Let us assume that it is 8 GB, okay? 2 GB plus 4 GB plus another 2 GB, 8 GB now. It really does wrong work. Wrong work in the sense SAP is designed in such a way that all the huge data, even if the huge data, should be get processed very quickly. That is the reason SAP is being developed actually. It is a processing of data, huge data. Okay, so no data should be ensured to occupy more memory apart from 8 GB, 8 or 10 GB, whatever it is. So my initial work process plus local memory, on the top of that is heap memory. After a heap memory is used, it goes to the extended memory. Once the extended memory is completely exhausted, all my work process will be going to private mode. So once the work process goes to the private mode, it means that my system is stalled. No user will be able to log into the system thereafter. The only way to come out of it is either you kill the work process or you have to restart the process. Clear?
Yes.
Clear, guys? Okay, fine.
Yes,
So
it
you
is clear.
go
Arun,
through this. Yeah, go ahead, Shubham.
no, I am asking about the table buffer.
Table buffer. Okay. Uh, so this we saw last time, right? Table buffers. You saw it, right? I think some time before I covered it. Table buffer. Anyway, if you want, I can take it one more time.
Table buffer.
The same thing. Uh, this is more. You need to know about the data type. Um, okay. Actually, give it a little bit complicated if I can explain this.
Okay,
Uh, I
just
will
give the
tell you
overview.
in a very vague manner. Okay, you need not
Yes,
keep
yes,
this
yes.
in your memory, but you need to know about what a table buffer is. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, in SAP there are some tables called types of tables. Okay. One is called transparent table. Another one is called cluster table. Another one is called structure. Okay. These are all the types of tables we have in SAP. Okay. Transparent table is nothing but straightforward a table. Okay. You log into system, go to SM16, okay, USR02. Okay. So this table is a transparent table, meaning that this table exists both in the application and in the database. Okay, a transparent table is nothing but a table which is available, which is physically present in the application, in the database, as well as in the from the app you can see. From the app, in the sense, they call it as data dictionary, DD. Okay, data dictionary is nothing but and in the application layer, you'll be able to see that the application layer of part is called as data dictionary, but the data dictionary sometimes refers to the DB as well. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. Now, the transparent table means both app and DB. That's it. Keep it in your mind. Okay. Cluster tables are tables which are not present in DB, but only in application. Means that, say for example, I have a table T1, T2, T3. These are a transparent table. which means it is physically present in the DB and as well as in the GD, as well as in the application server. Okay. In some cases, the ABAPers or the functional guys, they will develop a table by doing inner and outer joins. Have you heard of inner joins and outer joins?
Yes, yes.
Okay. They will create inner and outer joins and create some funny tables. Okay. So that table is called as the cluster table. Say for example, TCL1. Okay. This TCL1 is not physically present in the database. It will be seen only in the application cell. Only when the application is started, you will be able to see this table. If I log into the database, you cannot see this TCL1 table. Okay, so this is not a transparent table, but a cluster table. It is a cluster of tables. That's it. Okay, and there are things called structures. Structures is more or less cluster table, but with more flexibility. But with more flexibility in the sense, these structures will be lesser in size, very lesser in size. Only on demand, if you need it now, only then the application server will perform this inner and outer join. Okay, and then it creates a table and then it pulls the data from the database. That's it. And it deletes at the time itself. Once the program gets completed, the structures also will go off. Okay, so that is called a structure. Okay, now comes the part of table buffer. Table buffer in the sense, see, as we said, user buffer in ST02, whatever we have seen here. Okay, this table buffer, there are certain tables you explicitly mentioned to keep it in the buffer. Sorry guys, that's my kid. 1 second. Hold on. Sorry guys. Okay, so ST11 is a T code where you see the structure and the other things. Structure of a table structure and other details. Okay, so if I open this table, it shows that it is a transparent table. This is a description. Okay, these are all the fields. Okay, and the corresponding data type and other stuff there. We go to the technical settings. See, USR02 transparent table, it is developed by SAP. The status is active. If you come to the buffering part, it shows that buffering allowed but switched off, which means that this table is currently switched off. It will not be placed in the user buffer or in the table buffer. The table buffer is a buffer which is specifically allocated for the tables that are being accessed very frequently. Okay, so in that part, this table is switched off. Only when if it is demand, it will be pulled in. Okay. Also, the buffering type is single record buffer. Single record buffer in this means what does it mean is only one record will be fetched at a time. Which means, say for example, if I log in, if Arun Kumar log in, or if Shubham logs in, what SAP does is it goes and checks this USR0 table, looking for only Arun Kumar's record. Okay, and my details, what are all the details that are present in USR02 will be fetched in and it will be put in the user context table. Okay. Even if it is confusing, that is okay, don't worry about it. As of now, you need to know about what is a buffer, table buffer. It is just a buffer which holds a table. There are 3 types of tables: transparent, cluster, structure. Transparent is both physical and it will be available in DD as well as in database. Okay. Transparent table, if say for example there is a table which is 5 GB or 6 GB in that 6 GB in size now, those tables will not be put in buffer because that one single table itself occupies 5 GB now, then obviously the other tables uh, uh, will not be easily swapped. Okay, so huge tables will not be put in buffer. Point number one. Very frequently accessed tables only will be put in the table buffer. Okay, structures and cluster tables are definitely not put into the table buffer. Okay, and those buffer details you can see it from ST03, ST02. Sorry. Okay, this information is enough for you guys. If I take more things now, you will get a little bit confused. So as of now, this is fine. Okay, Shivam,
Okay.
okay, are you able
Okay.
to please catch the glimpse? That is fine.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, Shashank and Ashutosh, you guys okay with this, right? Just get to know the types of tables
Yes.
and how it is being buffered. That's it.